You need to watch this if you struggle with managing your finances. Now, you might wonder, why is financial control so important? Well, having a firm grip on your finances can significantly impact your overall life satisfaction. When you manage your money effectively, you reduce stress, gain confidence, and pave the way for future success. In this video, we'll explore key concepts that will help you take charge of your financial destiny. We'll cover practical tips and strategies that you can start implementing right away. From budgeting and saving to smart investing and debt management, we've got you covered. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools and knowledge to make informed financial decisions. So let's get started on this journey to financial empowerment and take control of your financial future now. Let's start by understanding what financial control really means. Financial control is the ability to manage your income, expenses, and investments in a way that aligns with your life goals. It's about making informed decisions that help you achieve financial stability and security. There are some common misconceptions about money management, like thinking it's only for the wealthy or that it's too complicated to handle. Many people believe that managing finances requires a high level of expertise or a significant amount of money to start with. But the truth is, anyone can learn to manage their finances effectively. Financial literacy is accessible to everyone, regardless of their current financial situation. It's about understanding the basics and applying them to your own life. Plus, taking control of your finances brings psychological benefits such as reduced anxiety and a stronger sense of security. When you know where your money is going and have a plan for the future, it can significantly reduce stress and improve your overall well-being. Financial control also empowers you to make better life choices. Whether it's saving for a major purchase, planning for retirement, or simply having a safety net for emergencies, being in control of your finances gives you the freedom to live life on your terms. Remember, financial control is not about restricting yourself, but about making choices that lead to a more secure and fulfilling life. It's about finding a balance that works for you and your unique circumstances. Now let's move on to assessing your current financial situation. Understanding where you stand financially is the foundation for making informed decisions about your money. The first step is to evaluate your income. This includes your regular paycheck and any additional sources of income such as bonuses or side gigs. Next, take a detailed look at your expenses. Categorize them into fixed expenses like rent or mortgage payments, and variable expenses, such as groceries and entertainment. Compare your income to your expenses to determine if you are living within your means or need to make adjustments to avoid debt and build savings. Use tools like mobile apps or spreadsheet templates to track your finances. These tools can simplify monitoring your income and expenses. Understand your debt and credit scores, as they play a significant role in your financial health. Regularly check your credit report to identify any errors or fraudulent activity. Setting financial goals is crucial. Whether it's saving for an emergency fund or retirement, having clear goals can motivate you to stay disciplined with your spending and saving habits. By thoroughly assessing your current financial situation, you can gain a better understanding of your financial health and take proactive steps to improve it. Remember, the journey to financial wellness is a marathon, not a sprint. Setting financial goals is a key part of achieving financial control. When you set clear and well-defined financial goals, you create a roadmap for your financial future. This roadmap helps you navigate through the complexities of managing your money, ensuring that you stay on track and make informed decisions. Financial goals give you a sense of direction and purpose, making it easier to prioritize your spending and saving habits. To do this effectively, you should create SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART goals provide a clear framework that makes it easier to track your progress and stay motivated. Specific goals are well-defined and clear, leaving no room for ambiguity. Measurable goals allow you to track your progress and see how far you've come. Achievable goals are realistic and attainable, ensuring that you don't set yourself up for failure. It's important to distinguish between short-term and long-term goals. Short-term goals are those that you aim to achieve within a year or less. They are often more immediate and can provide quick wins that boost your confidence and motivation. Long-term goals, on the other hand, are those that take several years to achieve. They require more planning, patience, and perseverance. Budgeting plays a vital role in reaching these goals. A budget is a financial plan that outlines your income and expenses, helping you manage your money more effectively. By creating a budget, you can identify areas where you can cut back on spending and allocate more money towards your financial goals. Creating a budget is an essential step in managing your finances. It helps you understand where your money is going and allows you to make informed decisions about your spending and saving habits. There are different budgeting methods you can use, like zero-based budgeting or the 50-30-20 rule. Zero-based budgeting requires you to allocate every dollar to a specific category, ensuring that your income minus expenses equals zero. The 50-30-20 rule, on the other hand, suggests dividing your income into three categories: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and debt repayment. It's important to find a method that works for you and your financial situation. Here are some tips for sticking to your budget. Track your expenses regularly, set realistic goals, and be consistent. Use tools like budgeting apps or spreadsheets to keep an eye on your spending. Don't forget to review and adjust your budget as life changes. Life is unpredictable, and your budget should be flexible enough to accommodate unexpected expenses or changes in income. Remember, a budget is a living document. It should evolve with you and your financial goals. Regularly revisiting and tweaking your budget will help you stay on track and achieve your financial objectives. I bet you didn't know how crucial building an emergency fund is for financial stability. It provides a safety net for unexpected expenses. But how much should you save? Experts recommend saving 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. And where should you keep this fund? A high-yield savings account is a great option. To build your emergency fund quickly, consider automating your savings, cutting unnecessary expenses, and using any windfalls like tax refunds or bonuses. Remember, an emergency fund is not just a luxury, it's a necessity. It can prevent you from going into debt when unexpected expenses arise. Start small if you need to, but start today. Consistency is key. Regularly contribute to your emergency fund and watch it grow over time. With a solid emergency fund, you'll have peace of mind knowing you're prepared for whatever life throws your way. We'd love to hear from you. Share in the comments what steps you're taking to improve your finances. Investing for the future is a key component of financial planning. The basics of investing are simple. It's about growing your money over time. There are different types of investments to consider, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. Each comes with its own risks and rewards. If you're wondering how to start investing with little money, don't worry. Many platforms allow you to start with small amounts, and even small investments can grow significantly over time. It's important to set clear investment goals and understand your financial objectives. Diversification is key to managing risk and maximizing returns. Investing for the future also means planning for retirement. Consider contributing to retirement accounts like 401k or IRAs. Regularly review and adjust your investments to stay on track with your goals. With patience and discipline, your investments can secure a prosperous future. Managing debt effectively is crucial for financial health. Debt can be overwhelming, but with the right strategies, you can take control of your financial situation and work towards a debt-free future. It's important to understand that not all debt is created equal, and different types of debt require different approaches. There are different strategies for paying off debt, such as the debt snowball method, which involves listing all your debts from smallest to largest. You focus on paying off the smallest debt first while making minimum payments on the others. Once the smallest debt is paid off, you move on to the next smallest and so on. This can create a sense of accomplishment and momentum. Celebrating these small victories can keep you motivated and committed to your financial goals. Another effective strategy is the debt avalanche method, which focuses on paying off debts with the highest interest rates first. This method can save you more money in the long run because you reduce the amount of interest you pay over time. By prioritizing high-interest debts, you can minimize the total cost of your debt repayment. Understanding interest rates and their impact is essential to managing debt. Interest rates can significantly affect the total amount you owe and the time it takes to pay off your debt. Remember, the higher the interest rate, the more you will pay over time. It's crucial to prioritize paying off high-interest debts to avoid falling into a debt trap. And finally, create a budget, live within your means, and build an emergency fund. A budget helps you track your income and expenses, ensuring you don't spend more than you earn. An emergency fund acts as a financial safety net, providing you with the resources to handle unexpected expenses without resorting to debt. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in your emergency fund. By implementing these strategies and tips, you can take control of your debt and work towards a more secure financial future. Remember, managing debt effectively requires discipline, patience, and a clear plan. Stay committed to your goals, and you'll be on your way to financial freedom. Improving financial literacy is a lifelong journey. There are many resources available to enhance your financial knowledge, including books, courses, and podcasts. Continuous learning in personal finance is vital because it empowers you to make informed decisions. The more you know, the better equipped you are to manage your finances effectively. Attending seminars and consulting with financial advisors can provide deeper insights. Setting clear financial goals and regularly reviewing your strategies are crucial steps. Achieving financial milestones brings a sense of accomplishment and security. Sharing your knowledge and experiences can also help others on their financial journey. Remember, financial literacy is an ongoing process that evolves with your life and goals. Taking action is the next step towards financial control. It's the moment where you decide to take charge of your financial future. It's important to take those first steps no matter how small they may seem. Each small action builds momentum and brings you closer to your financial goals. There are countless real-life examples of individuals who have transformed their finances through diligent effort and strategic planning. These stories serve as inspiration and proof that change is possible. So, why not start today? Begin by setting clear, achievable goals and creating a plan to reach them. Share your financial journey in the comments below. We'd love to hear your stories. Your experiences can motivate and guide others on their path to financial freedom. Remember, every step you take, no matter how small, is a step towards a more secure and prosperous future. Take action now and watch your financial dreams become reality. In conclusion, let's recap some key points we've discussed in this video. We've covered the importance of managing debt effectively, improving financial literacy, and taking actionable steps towards financial control. Taking control of your money is not just about numbers, it's about taking control of your life. Remember to subscribe for more financial tips and strategies. Thank you for watching and take charge of your financial future. It's crucial to stay informed and continuously educate yourself on financial matters. By doing so, you can make better decisions and avoid common pitfalls. Remember, financial control is a journey, not a destination. Stay committed, stay focused, and you'll see the rewards. Thank you for being a part of this journey with us. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and strategies. Take care and take charge of your financial future. Check out our other transformational videos on our channel.